Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dolphin. I make cooking videos and I also attempt to vlog sometimes. In this video today, we are going to make mandazis. Mandazis has been a staple in many Kenyan families, especially for breakfast, and it's not so hard to make them, so this recipe is an easy one and I'm going to share it with you. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join my squad, and let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Also watch my other videos, and let's start. So I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of sugar in warm water, 1.5 cups. It's warm. And then here I have my flour, 4 cups, all-purpose. In margarine, 1 scoop. So this is the first thing you do when making mandazi so that they can be softer. You mix your flour together with the margarine, or if you have butter you can use it. After adding the margarine, you add the baking powder. This will act as a raising agent. And then you pour in your water, warm water, and start kneading. Add more flour as needed while you're kneading so that your dough cannot be this sticky. We don't want to go with something that's so hard and also so soft, so something that's in the middle. So let me add like a half. For water you don't have to use it all, just a little while you're kneading. Adding a little bit of all-purpose so that everything can be well incorporated in the dough. So now I'm going to transfer this to my working area, dust it with flour and transfer. Remember that in mandazi we are not using any yeast. We are using a raising agent like this, baking powder. And the good thing about it is that you can add any flavors you like: cardamom, cinnamon, lemon zest. But mine, I'm making it plain. So we want something like this. Something that's still sticking on my hands, but it's also not hard and so soft. can work with this. Cover this for 30 minutes for it to rest, not to rise. Just for it to rest before you start deep frying. Now my dough has rested. I'm just going to cut the dough into like small mandazi shapes. And by doing that, you have to roll in a big circle. Don't roll them so thin because the mandazis will be flat. And we want them to be fluffy, soft, and thick. So like 1 millimeter apart. See, something like this. Yep. Now I'm just going to cut them into mandazi shapes. You can cut them in round or squares, rectangles. So we want something like this. Something that's not so thin and also so thick. This. Cut them and fry them. Don't worry about the shapes. You can use any shapes you like. I used to like playing with these birds. If you hear chicken, birds, I live with neighbors who breed chicken, and I also live in a peaceful environment. That's when you can hear so many birds in the morning, which is a good thing, by the way. Okay, so I want to attempt this shape, like twisted. I don't know. Yeah, something like this. Only one of that. So now I'm going to heat my oil and fry them. Here's the oil and it's very hot. So for me to test if the oil is ready, I dip in a little piece of dough. So now I know it's ready. I can start frying. First batch is ready. I'm just going to take them out. You can see that it's a nice golden brown. Okay, so now I'm going to put the second batch. Look at how they turned out. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. Let me have a taste. It's really good. Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Try out this recipe and let me know how it goes. Also like, comment, share and subscribe. It really supports me, and it also improves my algorithm so that many people can view this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.